my name is Khyati and welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell so you get notified every single time I post a new video. So today's video is a photography idea video at home using different objects part 2. So I've already made a video on that exactly a year ago from today on 8 May 2020 during lockdown, and you guys loved that video. That was the part 1 and you guys showed such tremendous amount of response on that, and I'm beyond grateful to each and every one of you. And if you haven't watched that video, I'll link it somewhere here. Go check it out. I'm pretty sure you will love it. And today I'm creating the part 2 of that video on 8th May 2021. And I'm pretty sure you will love this too. So I have used different objects here to create this photography idea. These are unique creative photography ideas and I think you will love it as much as I love. And also a lot of you have commented me on my first video that please show us how you edit your pictures. So I've already made a video on that. I'll link it somewhere here. You can check that out. So without any blabbering, let's just directly jump into the video. So for the first idea, the prop I'm using is magic water bubble. So for this setup, I am using a box which I am going to cover using a white fabric cloth, and I have my magic water bubble in this bowl which I'm going to transfer in a glass bottle. As you can see, I'm going to fill half of the bottle and just close the lid. So I have filled my bottle and this looks so fascinating and so magical. So now I'll quickly start posing, and here are the end results. So for the second one, the prop is a tinsel metallic fringes in blue and black. We usually use this in our birthday decorations. So I'll just quickly attach it on the top of my backdrop like this. I have splitted this in half. The half I have attached it in the backdrop and the half I am going to use while posing. So this is the other half and I'll quickly start posing now. So I have tied this from the top using a rubber band for some unique pose. So I'm just going to throw this on the top of my camera and pull it like this and start posing. And as you can see, the struggle is real while posing. The tinsel were absolutely not cooperative and it was falling off. So it is a little difficult, but the end results are really beautiful. So here are the end results. So my third prop is pencil colors. So for this setup, you will need a few objects, a drawing book and a mug of coffee. So I'll place my coffee here and start scattering pencil colors all over the place, just randomly like that. And place my book in the middle, open a drawing. I've already made this drawing before. So you can choose any drawing you like and just keep it there and act like you are making that drawing and start posing. The pictures turned out super cute, guys, and I made a little variations in this one and click pictures you will see at the end. So that is it. These are the final results. So my fourth object are cards. So I'll pull out all the aces and kings from the deck of cards and also a black queen. So for the background, I have chosen a dark color because I wanted my cards to pop out, and I'll just randomly place all my aces and kings here around and I'll lay down, and my camera angle is something like this from the top shot. So using the black queen, I'll start posing. Guys, if you see the final result, it is different from the pictures that I've clicked now. If you want to see the tutorial of how I got those falling cards effect, then you can check out my YouTube shorts. I've already uploaded on that. So these are the final results. So that was it for my today's video, guys. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. And also, if you want me to create any such different videos using some ideas or anything, please do let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to create them for you guys. And also, if you create any of these ideas, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram. I'll mention somewhere here my handle. And do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.